Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you what you can actually do if you want to change your Google account email address. Let's get started. First of all, open any of your web browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Here, make sure you're signed in. After that, tap on Personal Information tab. Here, scroll down to the Contact Information section and tap on your email address. Now, it's important to know that Google does not allow you to change your primary Gmail address once it's created, but you can add an alternate email or a recovery email. To add a recovery email, simply tap on Add Recovery Email and follow the on-screen prompts. And to add an alternate email, scroll down to the alternate email section and tap on Add Alternate Email. After that, enter the new email address you want to associate with your account and follow the verification steps. If your goal is to start using a completely new Gmail address as your main account, you will need to create a new Gmail account. After that, you can link it as an alternate email to your old account or migrate important data like emails, contacts, or Drive files. This is the safest and most practical way to manage your Google account email without losing access to your existing account. And that's all. That's how you can handle Google account emails in 2025. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.